Today, Remix has facilitated 56 collaborations, result in the creation of more than 150 collaborative products. These works has been showcased in exhibition in Hong Kong, mainland Chinese, and overseas, continuously support the Hong Kong design in expanding into new markets.
As mentioned by Bob, the Remix project has been entered as the 4th edition. It is a business connection or collaboration program that aims to connect Hong Kong design professionals with premier brands of all sectors to co-create innovative products. This year is even a breakthrough for Remix, as it is the first time that we have Remix to enter a Western market, and especially in this prestigious M&O stage. As the sponsor, our agency, my agency, the Hong Kong Cultural and Creative Industries Development Agency of the Hong Kong SAR government, we are very honored to sponsor the society to be here.
Remix is really important for us, as we said before, because it's the way to express how creativity and design in Hong Kong is really important for Maison. And we've always been trying to build those bridges between West and East. And it's important for us to show how your creativity and your design is also relevant on a show like Maison IMJ.
大家好，我係 Magic One Architecture and All AA 嘅創辦人。今次好多謝 IDXJ 嘅邀請，我哋代表 Remix 嚟到巴黎作為參觀者同埋展覽者。我哋喺 M&O 其實接觸到好多參加者。佢哋對於我哋香港嘅品牌同埋本地聯乘係好有興趣。例如我哋做嘅獅子山嘅燈啊，或者都爹利街嘅燈咧，佢哋引發咗佢哋其實好多喺香港嘅一啲記憶。我哋發現原來喺法國咧，其實有好多曾經喺香港住過啊，或者俾香港好多文化吸引到嘅一啲以前嘅經歷咧，喺呢啲產品咧喚起到佢哋嘅記憶。咁我發現咧，我哋只要好成功咁將一啲香港元素注入一個新嘅當代嘅文化嘅產品入邊咧，其實會係好成功嘅。例如我哋而家身在呢個咧係一個好多年歷史做法國香水同埋蠟燭嘅一個 gallery 啦。你見到佢哋對將傳統藝術同埋生活結合嘅產品咧係做得相當細緻嘅。我相信所有香港嘅嚟嘅設計師咧都可以喺度吸收到好多土壤同埋靈感。
I think there's no difference, and we shouldn't think there's a difference between French designer and Hong Kong designer. Today we're all facing the global market. So as a Hong Kong designer, I'm not only designing for China or Asia market. I'm actually aiming for the world. And so whether I'm designing a chair or a stool, I'm trying to create a piece that is comfortable, ergonomical, and to create a better living environment. Everything inspired me, just being able to see other design and especially arts and craft, whether it's textile or ceramics, especially those things that are created by hand, which is quite unique in the French culture. They all inspired me, and to be able to leave Hong Kong and come out to this part of the world is a great experience.
今次咧，我好高興啦，有得跟呢個Remix 嘅交流團嚟到 M&O 呢度去參觀啦。咁我喺度發現就係好多大家嘅設計其實同自己嘅文化都息息相關。今次嚟到 Paris 呢個地方，佢係一個好有文化氣息嘅地方。我哋好希望就係將香港嘅文化都可以將同Paris 嘅人去交流一下。咁我好高興今次可以參觀呢個咁靚嘅 gallery 啦。咁我哋發現咧呢度好多嘅設計咧都嚟自世界各地唔同嘅地方嘅。咁我好希望就係喺將來嘅時候有機會喺呢個咁靚嘅地方可以見到香港嘅 designer 嘅作品。雖然我哋今次嚟 Paris 只係短短嘅幾日嘅時間，咁但係我哋好多機會去接觸唔同嘅 brand 啦，同埋唔同嘅人。咁我哋喺佢哋當中，除咗攞到佢哋寶貴意見之外咧，我哋都認識咗好多唔同嘅 brand 嘅主辦人啦。咁佢哋都對香港嘅設計好有興趣。 咁我哋深信將來我哋都會有好多機會同佢哋合作。
So coming here to Paris is actually an interesting experience for me personally, and I'll tell you why. The last time I came here was in 2010, and in the time between that, my career has shifted from working with Western companies to working with companies in Hong Kong and mainland China. So now coming back to Paris, I see Paris in a very different way. Hong Kong has a real raw, authentic naturality to it, whereas Paris is very manicured and planned. And I find that here the energy is kind of contained, it's kind of put in a box, whereas in Hong Kong, the energy flows freely out. And I really feel that energy, not only in Hong Kong, but also on the mainland as well. At Maison Etogé, I saw a lot of interesting things as well. What was interesting is that there are brands from all over the world, not just from Europe. And I believe that meeting East and West, or the North and the South, is very important in the world that we live in today. So sometimes people ask me, what's the difference between Europe and Asia? And I say, you know what, I don't want to look at differences. I want to look at how we're the same, how we can help each other, how we can collaborate and make everything better in the world.
我覺得產品一定要有佢嘅特色同埋獨特性，咁先可以係喺一個即係咁大嘅競爭嘅環境底下，令到人哋即係令到自己突圍而出咯，同埋人哋會記得你，有一個記憶點喺度。今次參加呢個 M&O， 亦都係參加 Remix 呢一個 program 嘅時候，咁就有一個好大嘅得着，就係識咗好多唔同範疇嘅designer 啦。咁大家都係喺各行嘅，即係各個範疇都係一個專業嘅 designer。咁同我本身嘅設計嘅領域其實都係好唔同嘅接觸嘅圈子，咁亦都係我覺得同大家嘅 connection 之間係得到好多啟發性嘅對話啦，咁令到我都覺得會唔會係日後可以有多啲嘅 collab 去一齊去做有一啲多啲嘅火花，係 even 可能係大家嘅設計啊，或者係 art piece 上面都可以有多啲新嘅衝擊，喺一個領域上面再大家一齊發光發亮咯。
我哋今次同三聯書店合作推出永治白髮嘅套裝，喺 M&O 嘅展覽入邊得到好多嘅 inquiry， 同埋有好多嘅海外嘅客戶都好有興趣，特別係法國嘅客戶啦、歐洲嘅客戶啦，同埋日本嘅客戶，佢哋都有去試玩我哋嘅產品，亦都好有興趣話會唔會推出其他嘅文字啊，又或者佢哋當國嘅語言。咁所以對於我哋嚟講，好大嘅機會，特別係嚟到 M&O 呢一個展覽會。我覺得係一個好好嘅機會，而且我哋相信我哋香港嘅設計係得到佢哋嘅認可，同埋我哋真係做得到嘅。
今次參與 Maison and Object 展覽，令到嘅產品得到客戶嘅肯定，咁大大增加咗我哋作為香港設計師嘅信心，亦都相信我設計能夠符合國際嘅設計水平。
今次有機會嚟到 M&O 巴黎展覽會裏面，有機會同好多唔同嘅國家買家交流。佢哋好欣賞我將中國嘅絲綢文化裏面嘅綾羅綢緞嘅織紋放咗喺咖啡杯裏面。我今次嘅設計特色正正就符合到佢哋嘅市場要求。
Hello, my name is Jessica. I'm one of Blind by JW's creative director, and I would love to say a very big thank you to IDSHK and Remix for giving me this opportunity to showcase my collection here at M&O. And this year, it's been a great opportunity to work with Yuwa, and here is my latest collection, which is the women's wear and the men's wear. And with all these other products, including furnitures, glassware, pet products, and also, not to mention, blind box as well. We have lots of great inquiries here, and it's been very supportive of them from all over the world. And I've also been talking with different designers, including eyewear, fashion, accessories, and also ask them where do they get their inspiration from? Why did they make this brand, and also their retail price and MOQ as well. And with all that data, I've been able to use this concept to talk to different buyers, distributors as well. And also with this delegation trip, I've also been able to see the Diptyque gallery and also Boom Boom Gallery as well. And I've learned that actually here in Paris, they love to work with international designers. So we have lots of opportunities here. And it'll be great to actually see you guys here at Remix.
我係 Innosphere 嘅 Morris， 咁好多謝 Remix 呢一次嘅機會，令到我作為一個設計師可以設計我心目中概念理想嘅眼鏡。而呢個新設計嘅眼鏡概念呢，亦都將佢帶嚟法國 M&O 同唔同嘅國家嘅客戶去做一個嘅介紹。咁喺呢個嘅介紹途中呢，我能夠亦都可以呢認識到一個嘅法國客戶，佢對我哋嘅概念好有興趣，而開始啟動咗一個嘅合作。而我已經將呢個好消息同我嘅合作品牌分享。 咁大家都覺得呢個概念呢，我哋可以能夠喺歐洲市場發揚光大。
大家好，我係 Innosphere 嘅 Winky， 好開心可以嚟到法國巴黎 M&O 擺展覽啦。咁今次喺 Remix 入邊識到好多唔同嘅設計師，有平面設計啦、服裝設計、建築師、產品設計師。喺大家互相交流資訊嘅時候，我學到好多新嘅資訊啊，令到我喺平面設計上邊有好大嘅啟發，同埋可以 運用喺我將來平面設計嘅上面啦。咁另外今次行完成個展覽會之後啦，見到佢哋嘅產品用色啊，booth 嘅用色好大膽啊，好創新。我覺得喺對於我一個平面設計師上邊，我覺得可以學以致用，令到我將來可以學到更多新嘅嘢用喺我嘅作品上面。
喺 MAD 呢個 museum 裏面咧，我哋啱啱睇到一個咧火車嘅特別嘅展覽，咁係關於一個豪華火車嘅設計。咁佢由門柄啦、sofa 啦，甚至成個車廂嘅設計咧，其實佢哋都好 details， 亦都可以咧睇到咧 Art Deco 嘅嗰時嗰個年代嘅所有嘅elements 啦，同埋個 essence 啦，可以全部展現出嚟。呢件事咧係真係喺香港咧未必係好容易可以睇到。咁呢一個係一個幾好嘅體驗嚟嘅。 今次我同冠華合作嘅成果咧，可以咧喺巴黎呢個 M&O 嘅展覽裏面咧，擺到呢一個機會咧，其實一啲都唔容易嘅。咁啦，我哋喺呢一個展覽裏面咧，其實亦都咧識到好多唔同國家嘅參展商啦，亦都咧可以咧有好多唔同嘅接觸客戶嘅機會啦。我相信咧，今次呢一次咧就係一個好好嘅播種嘅機會啦。希望咧可以咧之後咧，我哋會再有好多唔同嘅合作，同唔同嘅客戶，再希望咧喺香港裏面 再做多啲唔同嘅作品出嚟。
今日好高興可以嚟參觀呢個展覽啦。咁呢度就係Museum of Art Deco 嘅。咁佢嘅展覽品咧就係1925年去到2025年。咁其實橫跨咗100年裏邊嘅嘢啦。咁其實佢唔單止係淨係產品設計，佢仲有一啲 器皿啊，去到一啲編織啊，或者一啲係日常生活用品，其實都見到。我本身係一個室內設計師，今次可以跨界別參加到今次嘅 delegation， 咁認識到唔同嘅產品設計師啦，或者建築師嘅。今次同佢哋去行展覽嘅時候啦，亦都可以討論到睇到唔同嘅產品嘅時候，可以有唔同 angle 去睇一件事，然後原來佢哋係會咁樣睇，令到我哋可以有啲係有共鳴啦，或者可以討論得一啲關於設計嘅方向，然後擦出一啲新嘅火花啦。
大家好，我係 Teleco 嘅 Esther， 今次好高興可以嚟到 Remix 嘅 Paris Trip。 喺呢幾日入邊，我哋參與咗 M&O 嘅 exhibition， 我哋去咗隱藏喺當地入邊嘅 feature store， 去咗 Art Deco Museum， 同埋今日好高興可以嚟到同當地學生做交流。我哋而家係 Stride School of Design。 喺呢個過程入邊，其實我哋睇到咗好多唔同文化背景、唔同年代、唔同品牌同埋唔同 categories 嘅 design。佢哋嘅 design style、佢哋嘅 colour 同 material 嘅 combination， 同埋佢哋嘅 surface finishing， 其實都充滿咗好多參考價值。我哋呢幾日睇到嘅產品有 handcraft 嘅 product， 有一啲而家我哋常見嘅 mass production product， 仲有一啲近期我哋成日見到嘅 3D printing product。其實呢啲轉變唔單止係技術上嘅變更，更加係對設計師創意嘅挑戰。設計師點樣去利用科技或者合適嘅技術，去配合當代嘅人文同文化嘅發展，去製造一啲產品。其實呢啲全部都係每一個細節、每一個 detail、每一個 material 嘅 selection， 其實都充滿咗好多設計嘅思考喺入邊。產品設計唔單單係講緊實用性，其實佢都係一個人文同歷史嘅融合。咁我希望呢啲體驗可以幫到我日後喺設計上嘅發展，令到我嘅產品除咗新穎之外，更加可以充滿深度。
咁大家好，咁我係 Alex，咁今日有個機會嚟到大學啦，咁可以認識到當地嘅同學仔。咁我覺得喺即係設計啊，喺 academic 裏面咧，其中今日我見到同學仔咧 share 嗰啲 project 咧，我覺得好有得着，好想翻去香港咧就 share 翻俾即係香港嘅學生聽。咁尤其是關於一啲環保嘅 project， 咁我覺得好好嘅地方就係佢裏面嗰個內容咧，其實係好關於即係當地嗰個城市裏面發生嘅嘢，即係例如喺嗰個海上面啦，你會見到即係有陣時收到唔同物料啦。咁呢個喺當地咧係獨有嘅。其實好想將呢啲咁嘅環保嘅項目咧，如果帶翻香港嘅時候咧，喺香港裏面咧一樣係揾翻即係相近似一啲嘅回收翻嚟嘅物品，睇下點樣咧將呢一啲嘅材料咧可以咧係即係用翻喺個社會裏面。咁呢一個咧係我覺得係好想咧將呢個 take away 咧帶翻嚟香港咁樣。咁呢次其中一個最大收穫咧就係我認識到好多唔同專業嘅設計師啦、建築師啦。咁平時都唔會有咁好嘅機會咧，將唔同嘅 discipline 嘅一啲專業嘅人士咧走埋一齊嘅。尤其是當佢哋走埋一齊嘅時候咧，當我哋去睇唔同嘅展覽咧，我哋睇緊嘅嘢咧其實有少少唔同嘅。喺嗰個過程裏面咧，我有互動咧，都有個 discussion 有個溝通咧 ，share 到一啲即係大家揾到嘅 insight 咧。我覺得呢一個都係喺呢個活動裏面咧，我自己學識到好多新嘅知識。
我係 Maggie， 係 Sauté Design Studio 嘅 designer。咁今次好榮幸受到參加 Remix 呢個計劃，就嚟到巴黎參展啦。咁喺呢個展覽度，其實係得到好多來自世界唔同國地嘅設計師，大家可以互相交流啦。同埋最主要嘅就係令到人哋明白香港嘅設計師都係可以走向國際嘅。我啱啱就係去到巴黎 Straight School of Design 同佢哋一啲同學交流啦。咁佢哋其實佢哋喺設計上面啊，或者佢哋設計方法或者個命題入邊咧，其實同香港嘅學生係好唔同嘅。咁所以我哋就佢哋亦都知道我哋 Remix 呢個計劃咧，佢哋係覺得好好，因為佢哋亦都有要同一啲 brand 去合作，亦都遇上一啲同 brand 去揾 brand 嘅一個困難。咁所以佢哋就覺得呢一個揾 brand 去合作，然後仲有學生一齊參與咧，係一個好好嘅 collaboration 嘅方法。
咁今次嚟法國同啲 designer 交流，其實都好大得着啦。咁因為都聽咗咁多個 designer 佢哋嘅分享咧，其實我哋都見到佢有好多唔同嘅 topic。咁包括工業設計啦、汽車設計啦，亦都有啲係講緊一啲可能人權嘅或者係環保嘅。咁呢一啲其實我哋喺香港作為 designer 都未必有一啲咁豐富嘅 topic 可以見到。咁同 designer 溝通完之後，我哋作為 designer 其實都開闊咗眼界啦，因為好多佢哋關於一啲 local 嘅議題，譬如漁民嘅對於環境嘅破壞啊，咁點樣可以做得好啲啊？作為 designer 喺有一個 impact 喺入邊。咁我哋作為 designer， 除咗處理一啲美觀啊或者功能嘅時候咧，其實都可以諗多啲關於一啲議題性嘅嘢，咁幫到呢個世界去做得更好咯。
咁今次嘅 trip 嚟到巴黎啦，咁其實見到好多好似博物館啊或者 M&O 嘅現場，其實佢哋嘅美感同埋對於藝術啊手工藝嘅追求咧，其實都係一個好高嘅水平嚟嘅。咁同埋我哋香港而家一啲比較快商業社會，再加埋一啲 AI 嘅影響之下咧，其實呢一樣嘢嘅平衡，如果我哋可以都同樣做得到嘅話咧，對我哋嘅設計都會好大嘅幫助。
作為 IDSHK 嘅主席，我好開心可以睇到 Remix 優秀嘅合作產品喺巴黎 Maison & Objet 呢個國際舞台上邊展示。我亦都見證到過去幾日一眾合作嘅設計師好積極咁樣喺會場同國際嘅買家去展示自己嘅產品，同埋積極咁參與各項交流嘅活動。相信今次嘅交流成果將會成為佢哋未來創作道路上嘅養分，持續咁樣創造出更多優秀嘅產品。最後，我衷心咁樣感謝香港文創產業發展處一路以嚟嘅支持，令到喺過去有超過30個優質品牌同埋設計團隊受惠。我相信 Remix 會繼續喺國際舞台上邊發光發亮，向大家展示香港設計嘅魅力。